What's up guys, Bobby here from SlickText, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why we require a process like this for uploading contacts. To be clear, the ability to upload contacts is only available on paid plans, and that's important to note because there's no functionality on a free plan to upload numbers. Number two, you do have the option to use a dedicated 10-digit number to upload numbers if you want to expedite this process, but again, you must be on a paid plan to acquire a dedicated number, as those numbers cost us money. Now let's talk a little bit about why we require this first off. So the main reason that we do this is because text messaging is 100% permission based. That means you need permission to send them text message. And not just verbal consent, you need to have some form of written consent or an existing texting service that you can prove and show that they give you express consent to send them recurring text marketing offers. So the risk, what is the risk? Let's say you do upload these numbers and you don't have proper consent to send them recurring text marketing offers, and you send an unsolicited text message to a number and you can't prove record of consent, then you could be held liable for fines up to $1,500 per text message. So we do all this to mitigate risk. Risk to you, risk to the consumer, and risk to our shared numbers. If you want to expedite the process, you can actually assign yourself a dedicated 10-digit phone number right from within your account. Of course, remember you got to be on a paid plan, and then you still want to make sure that you have proper consent. You can get that started immediately, and upon receiving that number, you can start adding numbers. Okay, up to 250 to be exact. If you need more, let us know, contact us, and we'll review the situation. All right, so in the meantime, while we're looking over your request or while you're using the service, what do you do then? Okay, now by now you probably know if you have permission or not to send text messages to these people. So what do you do if you don't have permission? That's a great question. There's a lot of different other ways that you can grow your subscriber list. You can have people text to join, where they text a word to their number where they can opt in to receive messages. When they do that, it satisfies all electronic consent requirements. You can also use a web sign-up form that you can build right inside SlickText. When they submit a number in a web form, it sends a double opt-in that they reply yes to. That proves TCPA, Telephone Consumer Protection Act, consent of electronic signature. All right, so both methods are available to you right now, so you can start growing this subscriber list. So let's take a look at those two right now. Inside your SlickText account, you can actually create a text word, right? So you can have an example where you set up a keyword on a shortcode where they text BB Grill to 888-111, or the word bike to 855-228-3768. Okay, there's two examples of text to join. What does that look like? Let's take a look real quick. If we go over to our text message app and we text the words BB Grill to the number 888-111, you'll see that I'll receive an auto reply back confirming that I've successfully joined the BB Grill list. All right, and there's my confirmation message. Now inside my SlickText account, you'll notice when I refresh my contacts, you'll see my phone number on the list. All right, now I can send text messages to those phone numbers once they opt in. That's just one way. Another way is that you guys can create these awesome opt-in forms on our website. So if you go over to the Marketing Tools tab and you click on Opt-in Web Form, you can create a beautiful landing page or embed a sign-up form on a web page. So if we check out this one right here, this is a beautiful standalone landing page that we can use to opt people into our recurring text messaging. All right, we just pop in our information here, put in our mobile number, check the box, and hit submit. Now, according to TCPA, Telephone Consumer Protection Act, you can't just add that number to your list. How do you know it's their real number? You have to reply yes to confirm subscription. So now you'll see on my phone that I've received a text message to confirm my subscription by replying yes. Once I reply yes, I can confirm that I've received the text message, I have the phone in my hand, and that is actually my phone number. That satisfies the electronic consent requirements for submitting numbers in a web form. So those are two immediate ways that you can start growing your list in a compliant manner if you don't have proper consent. So we do all this to mitigate the risk. We don't want anything to happen to your subscribers where they receive unwanted text messages. We don't want any spam complaints for you or reporting of violations of privacy, and we're doing this really to protect the consumer. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this has helped you, and we look forward to an awesome future together helping you in your campaign. We'll see you soon.